I'll show you how to create a red warning indicator in CapCut on your phone. There are two methods. Use text with a red effect or add a sticker with a warning sign. There are two ways. Use text. Simply type it out. As you can see here, we add text, carefully write the word, and apply a red effect to make it stand out. We type the word, and once we've written it, we can add a red effect to enhance its visibility and impact. For example, as you can see here, we apply a vibrant red effect to make the word pop. Now let's move to the next step, carefully ensuring everything aligns perfectly. You can explore more effects to find the perfect style. Alternatively, add a sticker for a warning sign. Both methods ensure your message stands out clearly. Use a sticker, find the field to type warning, press OK, and you'll see many symbols. Choose one that fits best, ensuring your warning is clear and visually striking. There are many warning signs to choose from, allowing you to select one that suits your style perfectly. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye now.